Oh my god, it's a game! You guys are probably wondering, how can you hear me? Foo hoo hoo. Just gonna raise that bit. I should have lowered it. Hello guys, welcome to my Fire Red playthrough. I'm lying, I'm not playing through. The reason I am not playing through is because it is overdone, the PokeTuber thing. It is something of old. So, I will not be making a playthrough, unless you guys frickin' do what you did with my cooking show. You know what, let's just get into it, because I've been rambling. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my really amazing intro. Wapush, top of the morning, I'm lying. I'm Dominic. Yo, what's up? Yeah, let's get into it, because that's what you want to hear. Hey. Yeah, you don't want to read that. Yeah. I get it. Oh, it's Professor Oak. Hello there, glad to meet you. Welcome to the world of Pop Monsters. My name's Oak. Like the tree? No. Yeah, this is just a... Maybe I should speedrun the game, and then I'd get respect for the speed running. I don't know. Don't tell me, are you a boy or a girl? I don't know. I'm a boy, I guess. My name is... Do I have enough characters for that? I want to check that out. Hey... It's hard to do on a keyboard, okay? Don't judge me. Oh no, I definitely don't have enough letters for that. Let's just do my actual name. No, not fine, I'll do Don. Actually, I don't want Don. Don's a stupid name for stupid people. Dom is a good name for great people. Let's do this. No, it isn't. My name's freaking Bill. Jesus. This is my grandson. He's been your rival since you both were babies. What? Did we, like, get birthed in the same hospital and then we, like, fought? Like, what do you mean? You can tell this guy, like, plays Fortnite. Just look at his stance. You can tell that he is a smug-ass kid. How did you forget his name? I mean, I know it's, like, for, like, the kids so they can name their rival. What's a really smug... I know a really smug name. I don't think I can fit it, but... Actually, no, this isn't even more. This time on making your character really smug with Dom, the master of Kaboobus. George is, like, the worst name. It is the worst name. Like, the monkey had the name, but, like, that was Curious George, so, like, was it really worth it? Was it George? Yes, that's what I just said. That's right, I remember now, his name is George. Dom, your very own Pokemon legend is about to unfold. They really did this game well. Yeah, you really need to appreciate it. Ooh, it was just a trickle along. Ooh, what a sad predicamento. Ooh, yeah, withdraw the potion from the... How does a PC have a potion? It's like the equivalent of our PCs having potions in it. I don't have a PC, I'm playing this on a Mac. So, this is gonna be our fun-ass Let's Play. Let's go into the wild. Hi! Wait! Oh no, I fell over, I'm crippled! No, it's unsafe. Wild Pokemon might rape. Oh, God. Oh, you need your own Poke. Yes, I need my own pet to come with me to protect me from other wild pets. Yeah, they really thought this game through, didn't they? Oh, Japan. When will you ever not be good? George. Gramps, I'm fed up with waiting. I'm a smug ass. I want to go smoke. Now, son, you're not getting your vape today. Oh, yeah, that's right. I need to give you this pet. Oh. Okay. Oh, Pokeballs. Wanna be held by my bowels. Hey, Graham, that's no fair. I want me. Yeah, be patient, George, you piece of shit. George is the worst. Boycott George. That's my new trademark. Boycott George. Bulbasaur. No, I don't want Bulbasaur. I mean, Bulbasaur is the one that levels up the most. But yeah, sure, I'll go for Bulbasaur. Most of you guys who play like Pokemon Go, you're probably going to be like, ew, Bulbasaur, that's like the worst one. Oh yeah, I have a nickname in mind. I mean, it's going to take 2 years to write, but it'll be easy, I think. I should probably just use the select button that I assigned on this keyboard, but Dom is not smart. There's like kids in my school who use this now, like emulators, and they're like, it's really cool, and I'm like, no, it's not really. You kind of just go upload ROMs online. You're not a coder. Yeah, I'll take this on that. Ooh. Charmander, more like the most overrated Pokemon. I'm out of here, peace. Wait, Dom, let's check out our Pokemon. Come on, I'll take you on. Oh no. Oh no, I'm being attacked by a legend. Rival George. I love how that's his name, though. That's his trainer class. Rival George. That is such a crap name. Go Charmander. Oh wow, so cool. He can stand on his 2 legs. Fucking jackass. Oh, for Pete's sakes, I'll push you as always. Ah, I'm crippled. Dom, you've never had a Pokemon battle. Why did I give you that Pokemon? Blah, 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 blah. People care. Blah, 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 blah. So far it's been 7 minutes of me blabbering. That's fun. Oh, yeah, let's battle. Oh, no, I got scratched in the tit. Oh, my God, he got tackled. Ugh. This is like Fortnite, except you only live once. Wait, no, that's Fortnite. It's like Call of Duty, except, wait, no, Call of Duty also has one, this is like, it's like actual underground pet battles, which I am sure they exist. I don't know what I'm saying. I kind of just had a brain aneurysm for like 3 hours. I'm not gonna lose this goddamn rival. Crap, he's about to kill me. Do I have a potion? Use the potion! Let me use my potion, you buttface. Keep your eyes on the Pokemon tree. Blah, 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 blah. I'm a Jack. Oh my god. Okay. Time to win, dummy boy. Tackle it. Why did I choose this one? This one's like the crappiest. And I just had to use a potion so I wouldn't die in front of everyone. Player defeated rival George. Ooh, what? Unbelievable. I picked the wrong Pokemon. I'm a jackass. Blah. Excellent. If you win, you earn prize money. Battle your trainer. Okay, I'll make my Pokemon battle to toughen. What? Oh, okay. I didn't read that correctly. I thought you said, I'll make my Pokemon battle. And I'm like, what? What is the plural to Pokemon? Is it Pokemons or Pokemon? I asked professors and they said Pokemon, but that doesn't make sense. Maybe I should go steal that other Pokemon. I should just steal all the Pokemon. Like, why should I? Oh, yes, now we take a walk home. How do I check the menu? I knew I had to check. I forgot how to check the menu. I forgot my own inputs. I need to check it in front of, like, everyone. Ooh, wow, great job, Dom. Okay, it's minus. I knew that. Okay, we get it. Frickin' stop celebrating my amazingness. Ah, yes, there it is. Is my Pokemon healed up now? Cool, it is. Okay, I'm out. Peace. Look! I copied what it said. Press start to open. How do I press start though? That's the real question. Ooh! Not so smart, are you now, Miss Billy Boo? Ooh, I'm at the 11-minute mark. Okay, that means I need to leave. Oh no!